वेलकम टू फरीद एकेडमी। आई एम योर मैथ्स टीचर मोहम्मद अब्दुल। आज हम देखेंगे महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड 9th क्लास चैप्टर 1 बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स इन ज्योमेट्री में प्रॉब्लम सेट 1 का क्वेश्चन 1। सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम द आंसर्स ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस गिवन बिलो। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं क्वेश्चन 1। हाउ मेनी मिड पॉइंट्स डज अ सेगमेंट हैव? ऑप्शन ए इज ओनली 1, ऑप्शन बी इज 2, ऑप्शन सी इज 3, ऑप्शन डी इज मेनी। सो क्वेश्चन पूछा है हाउ मेनी मिड पॉइंट्स, एक लाइन सेगमेंट में मिड पॉइंट कितने होते हैं। तो देखिए लाइन सेगमेंट में ओनली 1 मिड पॉइंट होता है, तो आंसर करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए ओनली 1। अब इसको समझेंगे किस तरह। हम देखें द लाइन सेगमेंट, द मिड पॉइंट इज द मिडिल पॉइंट ऑफ ए लाइन सेगमेंट। मिड पॉइंट होता है, नाम से समझ में आ रहा है कि वो लाइन सेगमेंट का मिडिल पॉइंट होता है। इट इज़ इक्वी डिस्टेंट फ्रॉम बोथ एंड्स, वो दोनों भी एंड से इक्वी डिस्टेंट होता है। अब यहाँ पर मैंने एक लाइन ड्रॉ की है 8 सेंटीमीटर की, 8 सेंटीमीटर की है। आई हैव ड्रॉन ए लाइन ऑफ 8 सेंटीमीटर, सो मिड पॉइंट विल बी एग्जैक्टली एट 4 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए एंड 4 सेंटीमीटर फ्रॉम पॉइंट बी। So it is at middle of the line segment. So midpoint always will be at the middle of the line segment. It is equidistant from both ends. So it is clear that I have drawn here 8 centimeter line. So it is 4 centimeter away from point A and 4 centimeter away from point B. It is the centroid of both line segment. This midpoint will be the centroid of the line segment and its end points. It bisect the line segment. ये line segment को bisect भी करेगा. So right answer is option A only 1. Next question number 2 is how many midpoints are there in the intersection of two distinct lines? जब दो लाइन एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे तो इंटरसेक्शन पे कितने पॉइंट्स होंगे? ऑप्शन ए इज इनफाइनाइट, ऑप्शन बी इज 2, ऑप्शन सी इज 1, ऑप्शन डी इज नॉट अ सिंगल। So whenever two line will intersect, if they are not parallel, then there will be always one point at intersection. So correct option is option C. जब दो लाइन इंटरसेक्ट करेंगे, अगर वो पैरेलल नहीं रहेंगे तो they will intersect only at one point. How many lines are determined by the 3 distinct points? So by 3 distinct points, how many lines we can determine? So right answer is option C, 1 or 3. Why we are saying 1 or 3? So here if case 1, if points are collinear, then there will be only, then we can only determine only one line. Case number 2, if points are non-collinear, so here see these ABC are points, they are non-collinear, so we can determine 3 lines, line AB, line BC and line AC. So right answer is option C, 1 or 3. Find distance between point A and B if coordinates of A is -2 and B is 5 respectively. Option A is -2, option B is 5, option C is 7, option D is 3. So you see this is a number line I have drawn. So coordinate of A is -2 and coordinate of B is 5. So we have to find the distance between these 2 points. We have to find the distance between these 2 points. So here distance is we have calculated the distance of point A and B is equals to 5 minus of -2. So -1 minus will be plus, so 5 plus 2 equal to 7. So distance between A and B is 7. So correct answer is option C, 7. Next question is if PQ are collinear points and distance between PQ is 2 and distance between PR is 10, then find distance between Q and R. Option A is 12, option B is 8, option C is under root 96, option D is 20. So see the solution. This PQ are the collinear points, so therefore distance of QR, distance between Q and R is equals to see here, distance between Q and R we have to find. So here collinear points, so distance from the collinearity, distance between P and R is the greatest one. It is clear from the from the question, it is clear that PQR, P is at one point, R is at another point. So distance between P and R will be the longest one. So how can we calculate the distance between Q and R? It is calculated by subtracting the distance between P and R minus distance between Q and R. So distance between Q and R is equals to distance between P and R 10 minus, here P and R, distance between P and R is given, it is 10. So 10 minus distance between P and Q, 2. So distance between Q and R is equals to 10 minus 2 is equals to distance between Q and R is equals to 8. So right answer is answer B, 8. So now we will stop here. We will meet in next video.